What's up guys, Devin with Adventure Hobby Passion back today doing another video. We're in the shed, but mostly just to get out of the sun. But today we are going to be revealing another project and a little bit of the side yard. So we're going to jump into the time lapse and then we'll do more of the reveal inside the trailer because the projects are going to come in the trailer and then we'll reveal them. Alright, and as you can see, this is going to be the new project. This is an old one you've seen before. So we got this drift trike. I've actually had it for 2 months, 3 months. I've had it for a while, and I just haven't shown it to anyone or revealed it. This is the reveal video for the drift trike. So for this project, it's actually just going to be a flip project. We're just going to hurry fix it, get it rideable, get it working pretty decent. We're probably going to have to put a new front end on it. Going to change the engine just because I like the Predators, and this is a good platform for me to upgrade later and put on a different project, maybe even put it on a Keith's project, possibly. And we're also going to, so why I have this one in here as well is we're going to actually take that engine. It's a little 168cc engine. We're going to take that engine and the clutch, put it on here, get it running good. Then we're going to worry about the front end, cut the front end. Don't know if we're going to use that front end at all just because I do need brakes. So we're going to cut the front end off, shorten it. We're going to put feet pegs on. We're going to make sure we get brakes. We need a throttle control. So there's that. So throttle control, brakes, fix the front end, new engine. That should be all good. It's pretty much what we're going to be in this. It's going to be a nice short project. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It will be hopefully pretty cool. And we will definitely, before I sell it, we are definitely going to be getting some sick montage video of riding it and sending some donuts and drifting it.
No, especially because
Keith wants to. And yes, no more wheelies on drift trikes.
That hurt last time.
Yeah, if you've been with our channel for a while, the last drift trike that we had, the green one, we never really named because we didn't have it very long. No. Keith, one of the plastic broke, and then Keith was still riding it. We went around the block, like almost all the way around an entire block, and then Keith finally got traction, and it freaking just launched him into a curb. All right, but yeah, real short build video. Gotta find a 20-inch wheel with brakes. I don't know if I have one. You have one?
Probably at my parents' place, yeah.
Alright, Keith's probably got a donor bike for that. We're gonna get this all fixed up, so stay tuned for this sick project. And, you know, we gotta keep making things great. We're gonna make these videos a lot more entertaining instead of mostly just time lapses. Definitely have some time lapses, but talking between time lapses. So hopefully these white lights are working pretty good. I mean, it is light outside still, but you know, gotta turn it on, get some extra light in here. Yeah, that's the short video for today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hopefully you're excited for this new project. And yeah, go out and go find your passion.